Did you know that Kaluuya is not just known for its mesmerizing coastal vistas and thrilling water activities, but also for its vibrant cultural heritage? From the serene Kaluuya Shrine to the charming Kaluuya floating cottages and the exhilarating Kaluuya floating playground, this paradise offers a blend of natural beauty and unique experiences. But today, we're diving deeper into another treasure of Kaluuya, its rich tradition of basketry, an art form passed down through generations. And I'm here to explore how this family tradition weaves together history, culture, and artistry.
Hello everyone, I am Elva Grace Mata, also a resident here in Sapang Dalaga, Misamis University student from GL3 Indigenous Creative Works. And for my final project, I'm thrilled to take you on an adventure into the world of traditional basketry and weaving. This is not just any craft, it is a family legacy that embodies the spirit and artistry of Kaluuya. But first, let's delve into the history and significance of this beautiful craft. In GL3 Indigenous Creative Works, we delve into the practice and preservation of indigenous arts, exploring the stories and traditions that shape them. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the basketry tradition of our remarkable family here in Kaluuya, whose craftsmanship has been perfected over generations. Before we meet our artisans, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Kaluuya. From this tranquil Kaluuya Shrine, where you can find solace and reflection, to here, to the floating cottages offering an unparalleled view of the ocean and the playground that promises fun and adventure. Kaluuya truly has it all. Just look at it. Next, we're heading to the site where the magic of basketry happens, and the artisan's workshop is not far from here, in a community where this family tradition thrives. Stay tuned as we reveal the artisan and dive into the intricate process of basketry and weaving. Welcome to the workshop. After a scenic journey from Kaluuya Shrine, we're finally here. I'm excited to introduce to you our artisan, whose family has been weaving these incredible baskets for generations. Let's meet the master weaver and discover the artistry behind their craft. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Mrs. Anacorita Ayas de Moser, a master weaver from Ayas family. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Years in your family tradition?
Kaya naging kain panahon kay gikan ba ni sa ako ang apuhan sa ako ang mama. Murag gitawag ta lang at kasigan sa katikulangan na panunod namo ning trabahoan. Ug hangtod karon kay nakapawid nito mo nang nakagama pag ni gihapon mo nunan.
So may kanang dali ra human. Di kayo siya taas ug process.
Patrol day. Nito o uli ang ato kong ganito na lang.
Ito ang first step ani ma'am.
Kining nito, limpyohan pag ini siya, kuhaon na siyang buko. Kaning niya kay hait man ni siya. Pagkahuman na ni, muna na dahin siya, pikason. Ngayon na ano na dahin ni siya. O dayon, naman ni siya kinaisa ila, tunga, kuhaon siya. Tapos, magamit ta og tukog sa buli para tang sa pagahit. Aron siya magahit ang pagtrabaho na i-guide. Silbi siya guide, hindi siya nanglan kagahit nga guide.
Pila po kataasan ng mag-prepare?
Okay, kung imong taghanan ang panlimpyuhan ni tanan, lugay oy ka nang isa ka gatos na nito. Isa ka adlaw na akong limpyo. Yung isa ni magamaan mo.
Ano po sa uban?
Taman.
Orang dili na kay Liz. God.
Magsuot na ta. Pagkama. Kaya na may materialis. Anak na siya, dingino ni siya gamay. Nahanglan nga pantay diyang kabaga. Kaya kumili siya man. Anak na siya, lahos ni siya dire. Anak na siya, itantay ng sipabaw. Anak. E tapos, magkuka na ko. O, kinahanglan ang nito, dili kaayo bulang kay kaning pagsugod kay aron dili siya gahi. Kinahanglan siya og kumutol. Nana siya. Mura to'y sugod, yan na siya, kaning niya siya ga tanday man itugsok rin ni siya, anak ko nga, dayon, ibakod na siya dire, aksog pulog, dayon, ibakod ni na sa ubos, i-ex ni siya, tapos, tugsok na lang dire. Mura ni siya balik-balikon. Inahanglan mo ang duha ka kamot ani, naagi trabaho. Karing isa mag-guide ni. Kani siya mo muliga. Ana, trabaho ani. Sumpayan. Ako lay sumpay. Isa man, ako lay kag sumpay. Sige, anak, itugsok ka siya doon.
Asa sila yun?
Ilahari mo. Anira, anira. O, ilugpit, ramo ko na siya. Anak, anak. Ha?
Ikaw rapod nagamaan ni diri sa
Ako ra, ang kaluya.
ikaw ra?
Ra. O, lagi mo katuon, anak, kay nakapamagyo sila ang kapanimuhaan nga mas dalit sila mga kwarta. Huwag na po ninyo dito.
May na po. Nasa sok-sok dire? Dire?
Yeah.
So, here guys, akong finished product. So, thank you, ma'am. So, kaya na akong iangga niyo, itawag mo. Ate, thank you sa tudlon sa paggama sa basket. Ay, dili, pot holder. Kung man ni siya. Tasa rin maigwan ni. Nga, gawa ni siya sa nito. Thank you kayo.
Thank you po.
Grabe jud siya ka. Need siya og kuan. Effort jud kayo, patient. Para magamaan ni.
Long time.
So, ate, ano may maingon sa nimo sa kuwal na gamaan ni?
Basta kugihan nga mo gusto gyud po katuon, makakatuon gyud sama ni ani ni
Mabel.
Mabel. Kakaton jud siya.
Sir, nagkat-on jud ko. Di siya lalim. So, guys, palit na mo po ni ang mga product ni ate. And, unsaon man nila ni pagpalit diri sa ito?
Pero nakabanan ako adere.
Order.
O kung naapoy og na-display, makapalit ako sila kung na-display. Kung gustong din sila kung sa ila ang ganahan, order sila.
Asa man sila pwede makakontak?
Kuha kay number, ang muna akong ipanghatag.
Number. Ate, para asa man?
Shade na siya.
Ang shade na guys. Kaya kung gikalo kay, pila po ni kaadlaw ni gigama ni kalo?
Ang din sa mga isa isagto nga ila siya gitrabaho ko.
So, siya ay kanang sapat holder nga nagko ako kay mini version na ni. Kani kay big version.
Tulo ka buok or upat mahuman sa isa ka.
Kaning basket.
Kada mahuman na po dahil na isagto nga.
Dara ako ang kuan guys. Kung gigama, gamit ra kay siya. Tadan! Mga P. That wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Caloya's basketry tradition. Supporting artisans like Mrs. Dimosar helps preserve these amazing traditions and enriches our appreciation for cultural heritage. Before we end, I'd like to answer few personal reflection on this experience. First, what are the difficulties encountered during the making process? The precision required for each weave can be challenging. It demands patience and attention to detail, and sometimes it is physically demanding, but the satisfaction of seeing the finished basket makes it all worth it. Second, what skills have you acquired from this process? I've learned to appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship and the patience involved. It has been a journey of personal growth and deepened respect for this art form. Why does hard work and craftsmanship play such an important role in handicrafts? Hard work and craftsmanship are crucial because they infuse each piece with dedication and cultural significance. These crafts are not just items, they embody the tradition and stories of our ancestors. What is your message to your fellow craftsmen? Your dedication and skills are deeply admired and valued. Your work preserves our heritage and inspires us all. Keep creating and sharing your beautiful art with the world. As an aspiring artisan, it has ignited a passion for continuing this craft and learning more. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more adventures and cultural explorations. And remember, supporting local artisans helps keep traditions alive and enriches our appreciation of their incredible work. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!